That's not how it works.
He's sniffing them.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Come on, Anna. We've been in a lot of this together.
Can I get an hour?
Let's go, baby. TW.
You ready? You're crazy.
Thank you.
Can I pet your dog?
No.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Oh my god, who ate the pizza?
No.
Excuse me, sir. Let me borrow you. Thank you. Hello and welcome back to Creature Watching.
Baby.
Sir, you're cut off.
Tell him. Oh, wow. Jabba.
Hey, come here, come here. Come on.
Is that code for that you want picked up and you don't want to have to jump even though you're
Hello.
Oh wow. I'm so beautiful.
Resolve that issue. Okay, Ethan. Okay, nice cat. I'll take you in.
Today, as I'm pregnant with his second child.
Oh no!
Go get it. Oh. I just...
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing?
You look so handsome. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
The happy dog, or just a happy dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy and girl.
What are you doing? Oh my God, Henry! Don't grab the cat like that!
That's good.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Had calves, and a cow just wants to eat you.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
You have a friend? Yeah? Who's down there? Hello.
Somebody come help me, please. Y'all look at that shit. Hold on, for the car police. Hold on. Send everybody. These white people dancing is getting worse. Oh no.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Come on.
What the?
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
This is a Christian household.
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael.
Today I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
He's drooling. Sunshine, why are you drooling? Macaroni with the chicken strips.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me. He just sits there.
That's right. You and me. Right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Back off, wimp.
Sam, I've got a treat for you.
Nate, are you kidding me? No, I don't even know why she would say that.
Yeah!
What's the matter? What?
Sit. What? Miss? Lucifer! Are you homophobic?
Bro, that is not okay. You know you can't be. you know. Stop. Are you growling at me?
It's like having real kids. Nice.
Do you want to go for a walk?
That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my god!
Yeah, let's just keep
What the hell?
What are you doing in my house? I want waffles.
Make your right click on my way, okay. Okay.
Are you guys gonna kiss?
Excuse me, I need some socks. Thank you.
Ow! What the? Oh my god! Can I have my eat breakfast in peace? Look! Oh my god!
Ugh.
There you go, sir. 2 Italian beef and beans. Would you like mayonnaise or ketchup or anything like that? No? Okay, no problem. Yes, just give me a shout if you need anything. Okay, bye.
Yeah, bro, you got the snacks? Yeah, the red ones. Oh, oh, what the? Dude, what? What? No.
Listen, I'm 26.
Holy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Wah! 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 Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
I have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Leo, you want food?
Go ahead, log off for me.
Looks like she's writing cursive. It's beautiful. It looks like a cursive A. Or is it a penis? It looks like a penis. It is. Liddy, you do good work.
Park.
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
But I don't want to hold your hand, bro.
You want to get run over by a car? Come.
Frankie's been pissing in the bed today. Frankie's been pissing in the bed, pissing in the bed, pissing in the bed. Frankie's been pissing in the bed today. Frankie's been pissing in the bed, pissing in the bed, pissing.
Just a baby.
But you still had to say, okay, Mom.
Just a baby.
Meow, meow. Meow.
Hey, bud.
You're fine.
How you feeling?
It's like camouflage. You guys have the same exact hair color. Great.
Alfie, Alfie! Hey, boy, that was a fast one. You having a beautiful life? Oh, he's so squishy.
Someone needs to explain. Like, for real. I just don't get it. Like, how in the world is my cat this cute?
Don't mind me, I'm just getting my earplugs.
Wait, no. Wait. Wait.
Oh my god! I heard this has something to say to the press, Nabi.
Has something to say to the press. What is it, Nabi?
What's good?
What's good?
Scorpio is a very interesting sign. They're very sexual. They're very sexual.
Stop it! No!
Let me in. Thank you.
You're done. You're done.
It's just never been my thing, not into it, so not approved.
What are you talking about?
No, look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
Lolanya pagod na.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog do?
I never see people post TikToks about what they actually look like when they wake up. Let's start a challenge. Duet this and show me what.
Oh my god!
No. No. No.
I think my dog's broke, y'all.
Zayla! Hey. Okay, fine. Do you want a treat?
You don't have a cat? So then who keeps you company while you poop? They poop by themselves.
Oh, you can't even make the keys go. That's how light you are.
Did you need something? I have to show you something, what I do. Okay.
So I'm moving most of my stuff tomorrow, and I took out all of the glass pieces in the shelf, and usually Lennon like climbs up it to get to the windowsill. And she just like couldn't tell that there was no glass in it. So Lennon, oh, there's no glass.
插你的肉来吃，插你的头来吃。再插一个。
Do you know what a pain in the ass is? Are you a pain in the ass?
Yes.
Oh!
What? Hi. Oh my god.
This is why Kevin can't be trusted with the ball launcher alone. Wait for it. Brings it back. Good dog. Puts it back in. Anger, 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 anger.
I still have your carrot. I have your carrot.
Grab my phone. Grab my phone. Hey. Hey. Let go of my phone.
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?